Welcome back to ClearSpot. Solar energy is a powerful force shaping our future, but it's not immune to the forces of nature. From blazing sun to heavy rain, from fog to hailstorms, weather plays a major role in how your solar panels perform. In this video, we're diving deep into the hidden link between weather patterns and solar performance and showing you how to turn climate uncertainty into energy reliability. Whether you're managing a rooftop array or a 200-acre solar farm, understanding how weather affects output is the first step toward maximizing ROI. To understand how weather affects performance, we need to start with the basics. Solar panels convert sunlight, not heat, into electricity using the photovoltaic PV effect. That means it's the intensity and consistency of solar irradiance, not temperature, that truly matters. Under ideal clear skies, panels can reach near optimal output. But those ideal conditions rarely last all year, and that's where things get interesting. Clouds can reduce solar output by 20% to 90%, depending on density. But not all clouds are equal. Thick cumulonimbus clouds have a far greater effect than thin cirrus ones. Interestingly, intermittent clouds can also create the edge of cloud effect, where sunlight refracted around cloud edges temporarily boosts panel output above normal levels. Rain is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it helps wash away dust and debris, increasing performance post-rain. On the other, heavy rain and humidity reduce solar irradiance and increase electrical resistance in panel connections. In humid climates, moisture accumulation and PID, potential induced degradation, can also degrade panel output over time. Snowfall can completely block sunlight, halting production. But snow also reflects light, albedo effect, which can boost performance when surrounding snow reflects sunlight onto panels. Hail, however, poses a physical risk. While most modern panels are built to withstand hail up to 1-inch diameter, extreme weather events can still crack glass and compromise modules. Hot days bring more sun, but solar panels don't like the heat. PV cells work best around 25 degrees 77 degree. Beyond that, for every 1 degree increase, efficiency drops by about 0.3% to 0.5%. Proper panel spacing, natural ventilation, and anti-reflective coatings can help mitigate thermal losses, especially in desert installations. Wind cools panels, improving performance, but high-speed gusts risk structural damage, especially in poorly anchored or elevated arrays. That's why wind load calculations and smart structural engineering are critical in exposed installations. To truly maximize solar efficiency year-round, your system needs to be climate resilient. That means it should continue delivering strong performance even in the face of unpredictable weather. Some of the most effective strategies include hydrophobic coatings to repel rain and dust, anti-snow tilt angles in colder regions, wind-rated mounting systems for storm-prone zones, real-time monitoring to detect weather-induced underperformance. Modern solar asset managers use predictive monitoring to get ahead of weather-related losses. How? By combining weather forecasts with system analytics to schedule cleaning, maintenance, and power storage in advance. Let's say a storm is expected tomorrow. AI systems can automatically lower the tilt, reduce battery discharge, and prepare your site for post-storm recovery. This transforms weather from a threat to a manageable factor. AI and machine learning now help solar farms go from reactive to proactive. By training models on years of historical weather and performance data, AI tools can predict underperformance by cloud density, adjust inverter behavior to reduce degradation, trigger autonomous drone inspections after hail or dust storms. AI doesn't just improve performance, it protects your asset investment. From clouds to snow, rain to heat, weather is unpredictable, but your solar performance doesn't have to be. By combining real-time monitoring, AI optimization, and climate-specific strategies, solar professionals can stop reacting to weather and start outperforming it. Want more insights on maximizing your solar ROI? Empower your future with data, not guesswork. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.